Welcome. This is Melinda Barlow, CZT, Certified Zen Tangle Teacher, and today's lesson is a remake of Heart Rope because Doreen Ng, ZZT, found my video and did one in a circle and just made me realize how beautiful that tangle was and how much fun it was to embellish. And so I'm just going to demonstrate with a newer camera, better light, and doing it in the round. And these are some that I got an idea from Doreen and did, but it was originally, she got it from my video, which I was very flattered. So we'll set these aside and I'll show you Heart Rope in the round. I'm going to take a small mandala tile and we're just going to start with hearts that connect to each other. So they just join on the tail. And we really don't want them too close to the outside edge, but it's really not going to matter. You notice I didn't do any kind of a string. I just started doing my rope of hearts. And I'm going to pray that they turn out even and not odd number. We'll see what happens. And now I'm just going to echo and I came out odd. So I have an odd number round, so I have 2 on one side. So we will fix that. Remember, there are no mistakes in Zen Tangle, only opportunity. I'm going to come and I'm going to put a third one. Did you see what I did to correct that? I just did it on both sides. It won't make any difference. Just take your time and meditate a little while you do this. I am going to zoom in a little closer on this. I got a new tripod, and so my camera's a little bit further away from me. There we go. And now we're just going to embellish this. And there's lots of ways to embellish. I embellished with a little color and some ribbon. Here is on a larger mandala tile and I'm working on, and I'm just embellishing. But we're going to just show you some of the embellishments. And think simple. Do not think, try not to make it too hard. Do your simple go-to embellishments. So striping is one of my first go-to embellishments. So you can see you can stripe. Gridding off is another embellishment, filling this in. And we're going to go ahead and make Knight's Bridge. Just a reminder, when you do Knight's Bridge, you do it in order so that you don't end up with a funny space. Knight's Bridge is a great embellishment. Any kind. I like vertical striping. You can see I'm putting a little highlight on that one. Orbs are another great embellishment. and so are just some tiny little dots. So I'm just going to work my way around this, and then I'm going to come back and add color. And there we have some embellishment on it. Now, I love to have some little tentacles come out, a little fescue, just to come out into the center. You can add that. Now we can also come in with, I'm just using a red Prismacolor pencil, and I'm just going to add some color in here. Just randomly through here on some of my hearts. And then I'm going to take a shading stump, and I like the cheaper ones that are rolled. They work better for this. And then I'm using odorless paint thinner, and I dip my moisten my paper stump with the odorless paint thinner. And then blend out that color pencil. It melts that pigment in the wax in that color pencil, and blends it depending on how heavy you put down your color, how much pigment's going to spread. And I wanted a little red and a little pink. And you notice only one dip, and I was able to blend all the way around this particular little tile. What a great little set of coasters, you know, or a little Valentine. Just a fun little remake of Heart Rope. I hope you enjoyed this lesson today. And as a bonus, we are running a giveaway on my website and my store, where if you post a comment below what you visit the store, then post a comment below and tell me what you would like if you had $30 to spend at Inkadoodles.com store, and I'm going to pick a winner. I did this on Facebook and Instagram, and I forgot my YouTube channel. How terrible of me. So just check it out. There'll be a link below to the store, and then just put a comment here on this video, and we'll do a giveaway. Thanks again for watching, and have a great day.